Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. Back down here at the BP compound. I went back home, I had like a 13-hour day of us on the lake doing some catfishing, but the computer was messing up, it is what it is. So I didn't get to put that out, but when I go back, we're going back out. So while I've been gone, a lot's actually been happening down at the Deer Club. It's pretty much like almost finished. I want to show you that we'll have a lot to talk about when we go down there today and show you guys really what all got done. But last thing to do is to pretty much work on the kitchen. I'm going to be sanding all the floors today and trying to restore them because that's the only thing we didn't have enough of the laminate flooring to do into the kitchen too. But that will be fun. I want to keep something like old. We're doing a lot of new stuff to the house, but to be able to keep something old in there is going to be pretty cool. So that's what we got to do. It's been real stressful back home. My girlfriend actually broke her neck on a zip line. So I've been taking care of her. We've had a lot going on. Spider, get the hell off me. But we're pushing through. She'll be all right. Hopping in the truck and we're heading down to the Deer Club to go see how this place looks. We made it down here to the old Deer Club. I just walked in just to see what we had going on, and guys, this place has come a long ways. We spent a lot of time down here trying to get everything perfect. I want to take y'all in and show you what is all done and how good she looks. Hello?
Nobody's home.
Someone is home.
Nobody's home, go away. We don't want your cookies.
As soon as you walk in, we have all of our laminate floor laid down. This stuff looks freaking great. Like I said, we're gonna try to restore the whole hallway and the kitchen, but we had enough to do in here. But it looks so freaking good. We have the carpet down, you guys saw that. Hanging up some more of the deer mounts. You guys saw all the beds. And everything is just looking so good in this place now. Coming to the bathroom, the vinyl's laid down. We got a new shower curtain. The shower's looking good. Probably still looks the same in here. I know, we painted that too. Oh yeah. What's back in here? All the cuts are just really nice. Last room we're working on right now is gonna be the kitchen. This is gonna take a lot of work because we're gonna try to keep the old floors in here. That means we have to restore them. To do a lot of sanding, it's gonna be a lot of work, but we got the sander, we got a couple batteries. Silver spray is gonna kind of be a pain in the butt, but for the most part, the main is this dude. Rip it off. You just got hit in the head. The only pain in the butt thing's gonna be with sanding these floors is that the floors are not level. So instead of just going straight across all the floors, you're gonna have some that are higher and some that are lower. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of detail work in here, but we can get these floors restored. They're going to look really good. And we're not like talking like full restoration, but just to get them to look a little better than what they are right now for us to keep it until we go buy some more laminate flooring. It's gonna be worth it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and grab some 320 and let's get to work. But before that, I'm actually gonna step down here. Like I said, guys, I'm here for 2 weeks and I go home for a week. So and then my girlfriend broke her neck, so I was there for a couple more days. But a lot actually got done while I was gone, and one being the shooting range. I want to walk y'all down here and show you what we got going on. This was a cool project. I mean, I wasn't here for, but I'm talking back and forth with Braden, getting all the updates. Bench right here, that used to be up there, so that's kind of like a spot that we can sit our stuff down. Then range is down there, and if you go all the way to the dam over there, it's probably around 200 yards, so we can sight in our rifles and do what we got to do. It's nice to be able to like start getting some stuff done down here that we really wanted to do, and one being our range. We have one at Braden's parents' house, but it's cool to have one that we can actually shoot like long range. That's a sight to look at right there. I like how wide it is, man. This is actually my first time seeing it. Everything's very secure. I mean, I like these big body targets too, man. It's nice to have something bigger to shoot at, but getting down to your good groupings with these smaller ones, and it's just good. The mount's pretty big. Let's take a step behind it. But yeah, she thick, and nothing coming through here. This week I'm probably gonna buy at least 2,000 rounds of 9mm, and 5.56 is always buying some ammo. But yeah, range is looking good, man. So let's go ahead and step back up here to the house and let's start working on these floors. Alright, it took 8 years, but all the floors are done. And this spot up here in the front was the biggest pain in the butt because there's a lot of white paint on it, like I said in the beginning, but took my time, got through it. It's looking as good as it's gonna get. Just hit behind the refrigerator now. Because there's so much dust and all the debris kind of falling back into where you want it to restore, I'm just gonna go through and just wipe all of it down. Go back through with their linseed oil, and it should get restored. You see the glare, that's one coat. Over here is drying. This linseed oil is doing a really good job. Wave, that's how they look after one coat. We're gonna try to do two just so we can make it, leave that shine once it dries, but all these floors are nice and sanded. It's a big difference from where it was at. Let that dry for like another 20 minutes. I'll probably slap one more coat down, leave it overnight. We'll see how she looks. While we're letting that dry, we're just gonna go and load up all this stuff and get it in the dump trailer. Overall, everything just came out so freaking good in this place. It actually feels like a home now. When we first walked in here, there's just a smell was just kind of nasty thinking about staying in here. Now that everything's finished and it's kind of like a house, so it is a house. Got the TV, oh, this is something new. Got our Wi-Fi set up. We have everything we need to spend our first night here, which might be a video coming up. The last coat we're going to put on today, the house should be the last coat for a while. This stuff will dry out over time, but once it seeps in, it kind of dries on the outside. You should be ready to rock and roll, and that glisten, dude. Ooh, this came out good. Sanding sucks, but it's what we had to do to get those floors to restore. And like, I kind of like it because the Deer Club, she's old, man. We have a lot of stuff to still do to this place, but you got to remember it's an old house, so you kind of want to leave old things in it. We restored pretty much everything, but it's good to know that those floors in that kitchen will be there for hopefully another 30 more years. And it kind of just leaves that old touch to the place. But if y'all can see, the inside of the house looks great, but the outside still looks a little rough. We still have the roof to put on. We're thinking about possibly doing like a coat around the whole entire house. We need to power wash. There's a lot of stuff we still have to do. If y'all have any ideas what we can do to reamp the place, we got the shooting range down there now. Hopefully we're gonna get the pond back. I'll throw this video out there, pretty much wrapping up the inside, and hopefully the next couple of videos we'll either be staying in here or we're starting on the outside. So anything y'all want to see, leave in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Lit and Pass TV.